Well, negotiators have faced really a whole set of challenges coming up to COP24. There are the technical complexities of the rule book. There are the perennial political challenges, issues like differentiation and finance. And frankly, one of the challenges is the lack of political leadership at high levels. So that's sort of coming into the COP. At this point in the negotiations, with just a few days remaining, I think the major challenges really are the lack of time and the sheer volume of issues remaining to be negotiated. I think observers have played a really vital role running up to the COP, both in terms of highlighting what's at stake and also in terms of helping to elucidate the issues and the options before negotiators. I think at this stage probably the most important role for civil society is to maintain strong expectations for the outcomes here. But really, with just a few days remaining, things are in the hands of the negotiators. We have been working hard on multiple fronts. We've been engaged in the UNFCCC process for many years. We've produced quite a bit of policy analysis, helping to lay out the issues and options. But probably the way we have helped most directly is through our role as a convener of informal discussions among negotiators. Over the past year, we organized 6 in-depth workshops among heads of delegation from about 20 countries to give them an opportunity for some candid discussion around the rule book issues. On the basis of those discussions, we produced a brief report outlining the areas where we saw convergence emerging on the critical rule book issues. So we think that that's probably made a pretty valuable contribution. We'll see at the end of the negotiations how close the outcome is to what we saw. I think the real challenge in raising ambition is helping to strengthen the political will for stronger action, and that challenge differs from country to country. But I think that in part it is really about helping people to understand across society both the risks and the opportunities presented by climate change. I think many of the risks are making themselves quite evident now, and I think we need to help people better understand the opportunities, the economic opportunities in a low-carbon transition. So again, I think that challenge varies from country to country. Part of it is about helping to change the conversations in a way that leads us to common ground. Oftentimes it seems as if we are talking past one another, and there's more common ground, I think, available to us than we have yet found. So in the United States, for instance, I think we need to do a better job of depolarizing this issue. And I think in part that will come from a stronger appreciation at the local level of the risks and challenges.